Histemo massage oil is a professional-grade aroma oil developed for scalp and body treatments. Warm the oil between your palms and ask the client to take 3 deep breaths to calm and relax the mind and body. Oil features a blend of key ingredients. Lavender oil sourced from France helps calm the mind and ease muscle tension. Jojoba seed oil closely resembles our natural sebum, helping to maintain hydration while allowing a smooth, non-greasy massage. It also contains a blend of 9 herbal extracts to help soothe the scalp and skin. In addition, 3 growth factors help support tissue recovery, improve circulation, and enhance the overall effectiveness of the treatment. Using a magnetized massage tool, follow the 4 lines shown in this image to help release muscle tension. For each line, use the tool to massage up and down 10 times. 10 movements count as 1 set, and be sure to complete 2 sets per line. This helps relieve muscle tension in the neck, shoulders, and scalp, stimulate circulation, support lymphatic flow to reduce puffiness, and prepare the scalp for better product absorption later, hence boosting treatment outcomes and comfort. Because the magnetic tool already has its own weight, there's no need to apply excessive pressure on the client. Simply hold the tool naturally and apply gentle pressure while performing the movement. Using tools like this can help release tension more effectively, support circulation, improve lymphatic movement, and reduce provider fatigue. After releasing tension in the neck and shoulders, we can then move on to the scalp using another magnetized tool designed to follow the natural curvature of the head for a smoother movement and a more comfortable massage. We can follow the same line-by-line approach to ensure even massage across the entire scalp, helping to cover all scalp muscles consistently. Make sure to move back and forth in small, short strokes along each line to evenly cover the entire area, as shown in the image above. Repeat at least 3 times per line.